Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support. Lots of love, care. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one, same material, same saree. Today I have draped different color, premium quality, pure handloom matka base with Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast border, and border portions beautiful fine weaving Banarasi design, very nice one. This one full base part, pure handloom matka base, and this one border portions contrast color, red shaded border with beautiful fine hand weaving design border, Banarasi weaving design border, very smart elegant looks. And this one full base part matka base, and this one is golden zari weaving buta design Banarasi buta, and base is matka, pure handloom matka Banarasi. This one is full base. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, a contrast color pallu with beautiful fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design pallu. This one is beautiful hand weaving design, and this one is full base part, same material. Today I have draped different color, and this one is border portions, very nice one, bright beautiful looks, based for your party wear traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, smart, bright also. And this one also very bright one, a premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with heavy weaving buta design. Let me open, golden zari border, royal blue shade, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving buta design, and base is royal blue, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, bright beautiful looks, based for your party wear also. This one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy weaving design, golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design, highlighted weaving design pallu. And this one is full pallu part, this one is full base part, stripes pattern, weaving buta pattern stripes, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, very exclusive looks, exclusive collections, premium quality, pure handloom resham kota, pure resham silk kota with Banarasi weaving, hand weaving Banarasi border design, contrast color. This one full base part, and this one is border portions, contrast color, stripes pattern with beautiful weaving design, golden zari weaving design border, fully hand weaving. And this one full base part, beautiful pure resham silk kota with weaving buta design, very nice one, smart elegant looks. This one is beautiful golden zari weaving buta, Banarasi weaving buta design, and full base part is resham kota, pure resham silk kota. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari weaving stripes pattern pallu. This one is beautiful golden zari weaving stripes pallu, and full base part is kota, resham kota with weaving buta, very smart elegant looks, soft lightweight obviously. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So very beautiful bright one, black base, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane, contrast border with beautiful printed one, full base part, very smart bright looks, contrast color border, and base is fine lane by lane with beautiful printed, very smart bright looks. This one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, black base with fully printed, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also very elegant exclusive collections, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful ikat weaving border design. Let me open, very elegant looks. This one full base part is texture weaving design, and this one is contrast color border, ikat border with weaving temple weaving highlighted stripes, ikat border. Base part is fully texture weaving design, premium quality pure handloom, pure khadi cotton with ikat contrast border weaving border, and full base part is beautiful texture weaving design, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes with fine weaving work pallu. This one is beautiful hand weaving design, and base part is fully texture weaving design, border ikat border and weaving temple weaving highlighted lines. Very nice one, elegant looks, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color only. Ikat border, texture weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton, and contrast color border. Very nice one, elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, ikat border, highlighted temple weaving lines and contrast color ikat border. And this one is full base part, fully texture weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton, contrast border. And this one full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, same contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful hand weaving design pallu. This one is pallu, and this one is full base part. This one is border portions, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, elegant looks. Let me open, premium quality pure handloom matka base and beautiful sequin design border and pallu. Very nice on this one full base part, based for your party wear, very smart, elegant looks. Base is matka base, pure handloom matka with beautiful sequin design weaving work border. This one is beautiful border design, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, fully with silver zari contrast color, silver zari with contrast red threaded weaving design. Pallu part with highlighted sequin work, fully weaving sequin design, very nice one. And this one full border portions, smart, bright looks, based for your party wear. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also same material but very bright looks, premium quality pure handloom matka base with sequin design work, border portions also very beautiful, attractive one, golden zari border, black base matka, black base pure handloom matka. And this one border portions golden zari border and full border portions, fully hand weaving design with sequin work, fully weaving sequin design. And this one is matka base, black color. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design pallu, highlighted sequin stripes with beautiful contrast color, red, maroon red with golden zari weaving design pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is border portions, this one is base part, matka base, golden zari border, and this one running blouse piece stripes work, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks, very gorgeous also. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful fine weaving design, jamdani work, golden zari border, bright yellow shade, and this one full base part, very soft lightweight premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton and export quality khadi cotton, golden zari border. This one is border portions, golden zari border, fine golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful contrast color, threaded weaving design, temple weaving design work, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color, threaded weaving design butta, and this one pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, heavy fine weaving design, pallu contrast color, threaded weaving design pallu, and this one full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, bright looks. Fully weaving butta work, highlighted temple weaving design on border part, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part for soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also a very beautiful one, premium quality handloom matka base, sequin muslin, sequin stripes design, and pallu also muslin with beautiful weaving design, very smart bright looks. This one full base part, this one is handloom matka base, these are muslin sequin stripes design, full base part, muslin sequin stripes, and this one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, smart looks, bright also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one. This one is pallu, muslin pallu, sequin stripes with golden and silver zari weaving butta design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. Golden and silver zari weaving butta, sequin design, muslin base, and muslin pallu, and base is matka. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look. Smart, bright one, best for your party wear. So very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, contrast border weaving butta design, and very nice on soft, lightweight, smart, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, soft, comfortable, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very nice one, premium quality cotton fabric, and this one off-white base with beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color, threaded weaving design, butta work, and this one pallu part, very beautiful traditional looks, fully hand weaving design, fine weaving design, premium quality handloom khadi cotton, very soft, comfortable one, smart, elegant looks. This one full base part, very beautiful one, premium quality cotton fabric, khadi cotton, contrast border weaving butta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful, smart, traditional looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, elegant also. This one also very beautiful one, smart, trendy looks, Sri Lankan cotton with beautiful weaving stripes line, border also highlighted stripes lines, very nice one. This one full piece part, Sri Lanka cotton, and this one is border portions, contrast color, fully weaving stripes line, border, and full base part is self weaving stripes design, full base, and this one is highlighted border, and this one full base part, same stripe, self weaving stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part is same, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, white threaded, fully weaving stripes design pallu, very smart, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom Sri Lanka cotton, self weaving stripes work, highlighted border portions, very nice on smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, soft silk material, handloom soft silk with heavy weaving design, silver zari with contrast threaded weaving design, butta work, very smart elegant looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very soft lightweight also. And this one, you know, border portions, silver zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, handloom soft silk material. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari fine weaving design pallu. And this one is full base part, very smart elegant looks, trendy also. This one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart, bright also. This one also, you know, same material, beautiful color combinations, soft silk with heavy weaving design, silver zari weaving butta work, and full border portions also, contrast color piping. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart elegant look. This one is border portions, weaving design border, fully hand weaving work. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, soft silk material, handloom soft silk. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu it's very beautiful one, contrast color highlighted stripes with beautiful silver zari weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, full base. And this one is border portions, fully hand weaving, contrast color piping. And this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. The same material, very beautiful bright fresh color combinations, Aeolus green shade with beautiful contrast color weaving design, butta work, soft lightweight handloom soft silk with beautiful fine weaving butta design, very nice one. This one, you know, border portions, yellow shaded threaded weaving design border. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful weaving butta design, full base, soft lightweight smart bright looks. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft lightweight summer friendly lightweight. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart trendy looks, beautiful weaving butta design, full base part, handloom soft silk material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, very elegant exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom matka with resham sequin design, very nice one, pure handloom one, soft lightweight elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pure resham silk with sequin design. This one is upper base part, white base, of white base with beautiful sequin design, very nice one, smart elegant looks, traditional also. And this one, you know, half portion premium quality pure handloom matka. This one is matka base split section, this one is matka. And this one is upper base part muslin, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully jamdani work by Gicha silk. This one is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work by Gicha silk, very nice one. This one is resham sequin design. This one is pallu, jamdani work by Gicha silk. And half portion is matka, pleats portion is matka base, and upper base part is resham transparent with sequin design, very elegant smart looks, traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful bright one, handloom cotton silk material with sequin design, highlighted golden zari weaving design, temple weaving design border, and very bright color combinations. This one, you know, full base part, this one is border portions, handloom cotton silk material, temple weaving design, and full base part is sequin stripes design, very nice ones, contrast color piping. And this one, you know, full base part, sequin stripes, border portion is temple weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pink shaded with weaving golden zari weaving polka design with sequin work. Very smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Also very bright one, same material, handloom cotton silk material, golden zari weaving butta work, sequin design, very bright looks, maroon shade, maroon reddish maroon shade with beautiful weaving butta design and sequin work, contrast golden zari border and full border portions, temple weaving design border, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving butta design and sequin work base, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, black base with sequin design weaving butta work pallu. Very smart, elegant, bright looks, and this one full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful sequin stripes, golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have draped a beautiful traditional saree, grey base, steel grey base, Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast border with beautiful Banarasi weaving design work, golden zari hand weaving, golden zari Banarasi border, and this one is butta, full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, golden zari weaving butta design, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu with beautiful golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work pallu, very beautiful saree, traditional looks and with beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.